It's a real peace bashing.
Oh, what? I killed you.
It's like
I'm sorry, I just want to see this.
I put a claymore down.
Oh, fuck's sake.
I put a claymore down for Terry's, and then obviously they must have run into you as well.
So, you put a claymore down, ran down the stairs, me and a Terry ran around the corner at the same time. I started shooting him and the claymore fucking took us both out.
Let's just kill these last two slags. Where are they though?
That's classic, I don't know. That room's clear.
We kind of know what we're all talking about when we talk. It's nice.
Yeah.
it's sometimes the taking in of intel.
Yeah.
Skip. Blinkers.
I do get
Earmuffs on.
blinkers, but then I get lots of kills, so I'm forgivable. It's cute when I do it.
You sound like
Fucking
so...
isn't.
You're not sexy enough to do that, Skip. Come on.
Oh yeah. Has anyone got grenades?
9.
No.
Das ist ein Plastikkrokodile.
I left them in my other pants.
But you brought the pins, right?
Yes. Oh, pants.
They're like explosive pants.
God damn, my washing machine's fucked.
Scratch one.
Nice.
Stone cold.
Breach charge ready.
Just if I need
Sorry,
it.
Ash. Right inside is clear.
No, Skip. Thank you.
What's that? No, I'm not shooting.
Alright, man.
I'm running about.
Doc is out in the corridor. I got lucky. Real fucking lucky.
Fuck's sake.
Oh, behind kitchen.
He's not dead yet.
No, he is not.
I opened you up a spicy murder hole to the site once you've dealt with Pulse.
Yeah, roger that.
Is he in that room?
One op 4 remaining.
Yeah,
was.
he's dead.
I'm
Op
not gonna
4 has
peek, I'm
located
not
a
gonna get
bomb.
greedy.
You know what to do.
This is great.
Still on that balcony.
They can't do fuck all against our mirrors, men. Right, the push, they're mounting.
10 seconds left.
Fuse
So
on
much
you,
going to
Bums.
the corridor.
5 seconds to go.
He's in.
One op 4 remaining.
Someone shot me in the
Yes.
ass.
You've reached
Nice.
the time limit.
Murky, 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 murky.
That was brilliant. Nice one, Skip. We just pushed them out.
I was pinned down from the fucking start.
Where are
Four
you?
pieces trying to get back to the objective and just totally fucked.
Yeah. I literally. Mozzie, managed to Mozzie, put everything in position, looked up, and I was like, oh, they're on the balcony. Right, I'll just hide in this corner. Oh, Ash is on the window. Right.
Singular anal bead.
This bow.
Now back the fuck up. Oh, he's in! Jesus. I got one shield. There might be two. Someone's in the
Tell
bedroom.
me I got that off. Wanker!
Op 4,
Nice.
last stop standing.
Running.
Nothing
Bathroom maybe?
Stairs.
Stairs, mate, stairs.
Stairs.
Oh yeah.
Don't worry.
behind
Northwest,
where you were.
northwest.
Don't
That's
poke,
it.
don't peek yet. It's fine.
He's in.
Right, he's in that.
He's looking the
strong
other way.
Op 4 eliminated.
Nice
That
one,
poor
son.
globe.
Successful.
Well, he's just coming out swinging with his sledgehammer.
Yeah, so they have castle.
10 seconds to go. Your drone has found a bomb.
You said they have castle, Skip.
They do have a castle.
5 seconds to go.
Fuck that one.
Push, push, push.
That's
Pulse. Got pulse. I'm on A.
Loading new magazines.
Op 4 eliminated. Friendly mission successful.
Nice.
GG, bitches.
That was organised chaos. I bet there's some peanuts down the side of the couch. You'll be fine. Probably some bees on the windowsill.
Eat your own cum.
And that. Use it as a relish.
That's 3 different courses right there. Mate.
Spicy bees.
Peanuts, bees, and cum.
You got dessert and everything.
What's happening?
I don't know, it's getting weird. Operation Spicy Meat.
I got some coming from west side.
We've got a lot of utility over on the west. No one's on east.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you got some coming from valley.
Let me have a look at you, capullos!
Smoking on B. They are smoking out B.
I got cam on B, looks okay.
Oh, okay.
I had a problem downstairs.
Skip, give me a
Alright.
shout if you need to be Habanas.
Thermite is thermiting. Possibly.
Reloading!
You're right, Jake.
Oh, right.
Surveying for hostiles.
It's actually really handy. I am getting shot at
Those,
from
what the fuck are you?
Papers and everything. You have to watch out on the south door.
Brilliant. Where you at, Peace? What happened?
Vigil was knocking about in somewhere completely out. He was downstairs in ventilation, for fuck's sake.
Gonna need this shot out, mate.
Yep. Oh, hang on. Reloading. There you go, mate.
Can't see anyone up here.
Fucking hell.
Sorry, boss. Alright, Skip, it's down to you. Can you give me a hand, please?
I'm on the window. Got Jaeger.
Yeah, there's more in there.
There's 2.
Great, you got that, mate.
Break,
I'll plant.
break. There's gonna be a run out on the window.
Kinda got it.
Run out on the window behind. Now.
Nice.
Yes.
Yeah, plant.
I'm back on the window.
Oh, I
C4,
could get
yeah.
blown up. No, I think I'm good.
Twitch.
Last operator standing.
It's Twitch,
Bomb
CCTV.
diffusion initiated.
Stay
Protect the
close to
diffuser.
Twitch.
Twitch.
Oh, no.
I come
Yep.
Twitch.
So,
He's here.
I don't know.
Brooke.
Doc.
Oh, he got me.
Hi guys below, don't worry.
I can't tell him what's going on. Nice. He's gonna get himself up. Nice.
Nice save,
Op
mate.
4 eliminated.
Record.
Friendly mission successful.
Go on, I dare you. Stay down.
Not a cunt.
Ooh.
The guy was kind of fucking angry and left.
This is gonna be interesting.
Plums, I didn't see how you managed to shoot the guy who was running out, but it looked good. I called it and then he got shot in the head.
I kind of know the distance. I've been run out on enough
Enough.
times.
Yeah.
It was worth having a drone there then.
Oh yeah.
Go on, Skip.
Is he
What's
in,
the thing,
Murky?
you cunt? He's fucking right next to you, you cunt. Skip, come on, man.
Murky intel.
He was
Op
on
4,
me.
last operator standing.
So he's in B.
Last,
Yeet! What?
Op 4 is defusing a bomb. You need to disable their diffuser. Located a diffuser. Destroy it.
Skip, get out of the way.
Alright.
Mission successful.
last headshot.
You had the diffuser on the hatch. It left the room.
I didn't have to warn Skip that I was lobbing that nitro, but
I heard it. I heard you like rip the Velcro off.
the lid had come off.
Yeah.
Oh fuck, I just realised, Skip, you can't hear in-game shit?
No.
Okay, I was really angry at you because I was like, Skip, come on, I'm
Drone
getting
located
flying shit
bomb.
pushed in. Monty had his back to you, right next to you, and he just chased me down and killed me, and I was screaming at you in-game, like, shoot the cunt,
Yeah.
and then nothing
I
happened.
was saying like, Murky, what's going on? Intel.
And then I was like, he's right next to me, and you were like, where is he?
Oh, they got
I'm like, he's
Mozzie.
fucking here! And you were like, what are you
Are they in
talking
the same
about?
spot though?
Yeah, they're up the top.
Yeah.
Mozzie.
Alright, let's do it.
Oh wait, a window came out.
Is that reinforced? Over there, Plums.
Plums, don't go off to the side this time, I don't want to get shot.
I thought I'd like let
hang
you
on,
shoot him.
Right.
Someone's down here.
Bomb has been located.
Berkey,
planting, mate?
you're in a
Yeah.
bit quick far,
Plant.
mate.
You
Cover,
have
I'm planting. Oh, fuck's
The
sake.
diffuser is no longer in your
Right, someone else can
possession.
be in charge of planting from now on.
Fuck's sake. Wiggly
Right.
bastard.
I'm pushing up to you, Plums. Intel?
The diffuser
Just blowies everywhere, mate. I can't believe you're not already here. Like you could have saved us
I
a lot of
couldn't.
bother.
There was someone on someone on a place.
Mhm.
Don't shoot me, please.
It's through the fucking doodads.
No way. Right, Mozzie is one hit.
Air jab, that's behind. Pushing behind.
Mozzie is pushing Plums. Oh, Plums. You fucking
That's
monster.
air jab, left hand side 4 piece, that's it.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oof.
We can push forward!
Help! Covered in smoke.
I'm really not.
What happened?
we have been
You got
eliminated.
shot, I think. ADS?
No, I threw 2 smokes in there.
No, it was nothing. They didn't get in the room, I
I
don't.
mean, I can hear them.
What? Yeah.
They probably fell through the
Did they fall through the... Oh, for fuck's
Yeah.
sake.
Oh, let's get 4 piece. The drones
Yep.
are getting in past your mozzies because of this drone hole.
Oh, fuck.
Where is that? Nice.
Oh, Plums.
You have entered an enemy controlled area.
What?
Oh, that's Plums.
Okay, Fuse is just upstairs. There's a
So,
couple
mate,
of west
down.
balcony.
The wall from you?
Yeah.
In the bathroom.
Friendly, last operator standing.
How the fuck do you know I was there? It's their backpack.
He went in, Plums.
Op 4 located a bomb. Protect it.
Doorway and
Changing guns is
All
slow.
friendlies have been neutral.
You got a kill. Better than last time.
I got an assist.
You got loads of assists last time.
Yeah, we were giving them out like hand jobs. Fucked it.